Hi guys, today I want to tell you about the EQ presets on the Marshall Emberton II speaker. They allows you to customize the sound for different music. But for now, subscribe to this channel to see more helpful videos. First of all, we need to make sure that the power on our speaker is on and that the Bluetooth is on as well, and that the speaker is connected to our phone. Then you need to download the Marshall Bluetooth app. You can download it from App Store or Google Play. So, when you downloaded the app, it will look something like this. On the main screen, you will see your speaker. Now I'm going to tell you how to customize EQ presets. You need to click on it, and then you see 3 parameters. The second parameter is for the heavier sound. The third parameter is for more clarity. Choose whatever parameter you like, depending on what music you like to listen. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.